Okay, so hi, good evening.
Yes, good evening. How are you? Please tell me about yourself first
Yeah,
and then
I'm fine. I'm fine. What about you? How are you doing?
so fine. If you are fine, so I'm also fine. I'm fine. Well.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So,
Yes.
I would like to know about you a little bit. Actually, I have watched your lot of video. Actually, you have become very famous. So I had desire of talking with you, but I got today. My dream came true. So I'm very happy today. And so I'd like to know about you a little bit.
My name is Jadu Kisku. I'm from Sahibganj district of Jharkhand State Department of Education. I study in 9th class. I got summer vacation this day. I'm enjoying these holidays. So if I talk about my hobbies, as you know that reading, speaking English as for the place, is speaking English also, and sometime like singing a song also, and and playing cricket, football, that all, and looking new place, that all.
So how did you think about this learning this language? And
Actually, I got motivation. I got motivation to learn this language from any people. A lot of people. As you know that nowadays a lot of people are making like this video, right? A lot of people are making conversation video on YouTube, and some people are getting motivation. So I also got motivation like them from conversation video. And but when I had no any knowledge about in that time, first I had got motivation from one teacher and what interior in our class. One day, he taught us sentences. So then I got idea to learn tense, and then I started speaking English language because I came to know that if I learn tense, so I can speak English well. So then I learned English
okay,
speaking.
so
Then
at the
for my
at the earlier at the
motivation
earlier,
to me.
how did you practice? With whom did you practice, and how did you practice, and how managed to practice? Actually, it is very stress when we start at beginning.
Yes, yes. Actually, as you know that I don't have any teacher. Like
Yeah.
other person is not just I'm practicing myself. If you tell how I'm practicing, like
So
in
can you
front of
can
the
you
mirror.
say one
mirror
plane? Can you say one plane? Yeah.
yes. Why not?
Yeah.
Why not? Yes.
Yeah. Just
Yes.
actually, yeah. Yeah. Now fine.
Yes, yes. I practice in front of the mirror technique, and sometimes mobile camera I'm using. I record myself, listen carefully, and correct pronunciation. Like this, I'm practicing. And by using pronoun, if I practice with present tense, by using pronoun for us, seven pronoun is here, and I will use seven pronoun to make four types of sentences of one tense, well, simple present tense. If I will make four sentences by using I, one pronoun, I go, do I go, why do I go, you go, do you go, why do you go? He goes, does he go, doesn't go, why does he go? They go, do they go, why do they go? They don't go. Four types of sentences with every pronoun I'm making.
Okay,
With a
so
simple present, I will,
how do you
yes.
manage yourself? Actually, I can understand. I have been learning this language a long time ago, from a long time. So, how did you manage? How did you manage? At the early. I am talking about past
Yes,
when you.
I use a lot of way practice, and as I told you now, I use around I think three ways to practice. Besides that, to speak two types of spoken I'm using. One type of spoken fastly, and second type of way to speak slowly. And that's why I speak slowly. Sometimes like suppose I will discuss about any topic, yes, and because as you know that I practice by taking topic. Suppose if I have topic of story, like magical hand pump story, Jadu, Jadu, Jadui Chapakal, Jadui Chapalkar story. If I so, so first I will speak on the topic speedily, fastly, and then I will speak slowly, so that a lot of word will come to my mind, and which word new, and which I've learned new, that will that word will come to mind easily. That's why I speak sometimes slowly, sometimes speedily. Two way, so that I can get the better other in speaking in speedily also and in slowly also. If they will say me by mistake, please Jadu speak slowly, so I can speak. That's why two types of way I'm using. Yes.
So, when did you think about starting YouTube? Doing YouTubing.
Actually, before learning this language, I had thought to open a YouTube channel like this, English conversation YouTube channel. Actually, that time I was unable to speak good English, but I was thinking that I will improve my English. I will when I will learn speaking good English, then I will open YouTube channel. So nowadays I improved. So then on 15 October 2024, I opened this one YouTube channel, and it has been I think 5 6 months around. I think yes.
So, did you earn money? Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. I'm earning money currently. Yes, I'm getting monthly. Yes.
how much? Every month?
Yes, around 8 9,000, I can buy a new smartphone.
Okay, everyone.
Yes, because very well, what types of video are watching by all over the world. Like the channel can be grown easily. Like if you have channel like English channel, suppose, and if a lot, so you told you you're
Actually,
from
you know,
UK.
I got a
Yes.
phone. Actually, one of my neighbor is was calling me. So, can you tell me again?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, yes, that like it depends on channel and category. Like if you will think like if you have English channel, so you can earn a lot of money because a lot of people will watch your video. Or about the world, पूरी दुनिया तुम्हारा video देखेगा. If you will make in English language, so if you will make video in Hindi, so no, only from India mostly people will watch. That's why you can't earn that much money. But if you will make in English, so you will earn a lot of money. That's why I tell you, I'm earning within 1 month. Like I can buy a smartphone in this one subscriber because a lot of people are watching my video. That's why we have to make video in English. Yes.
So, how many subscribers do you have right now?
What?
How many subscribers do you have right now?
Now to be 36,000.
36.
36,000 one day, I
Okay.
think. Yes.
So, what does your father do?
My father is a farmer. He working in way of farmer nowadays, and he's working the field. This time, people are having to work in the field, as you know that there's a field. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, I can see. I can
Yes.
see that. So,
Yes.
do you support your father in farming?
Yes, yes, yes. I support my father also. As you know that we don't have to leave our land, like where we our father is working since his childhood. That time since we were born, we also have to work like our father parents. That's why I think that my father is supporting me. It's good there, and he's so keep saying me that you also have to work and don't like you also have to work in field like me as I'm working. So I'm happy to work in the field also sometime. In morning time mostly I'm working. My father saying me, and I'm working in the field. Yes.
So do you have land or you just rent land and work?
Yes, I have learned. We have learned. Yes.
Okay, so,
Yes.
so can you tell me about your city a little bit so that I can know about you? And if I get a time, if I get a chance to come there, so I will definitely meet with you. Okay.
Yes. My city in Sahibganj, and which falls in Jharkhand state. Yes.
Hard state. So is there any market which is very famous so that I can know?
Rachi, you can consider Rachi. Yes.
Rachi, Rachi. So
Have
where
you?
do you get from where do you get vegetable? You know, or you
Oh,
just grow vegetable at home?
yes. I get vegetables and for cooking and for making vegetables mostly from market. That market name is Baryo.
Okay, okay. So you are studying in ninth class. So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, okay. So do you tell me about your study?
Yes, yes. My study is good. Nowadays, I got summer vacation. But I think very well our school is Hindi medium school, and student don't speak Hindi there. Even they don't speak Santali also. All the same, whether you can say our school is Hindi medium, all same students are using Hindi language. They speaking their mother tongue. Like if my mother Santali, they will speak Santali language. So there's most of the students for my school don't know also Hindi language properly how to speak, and because that is in village area, that's why. But I developed the habit of talking in English all the time with the students, but they're getting upset from me that why is Jadu speaking all the time in English, we don't understand like this. It happens to be a rare person. If you will speak in Hindi medium school in English, so they will think that why is he using English language, this is Hindi medium school, you speak Hindi like this, they will say. you know
I
a lot of
definitely
people saying.
have this problem also. Actually, I speak English, so also I am being criticized. I am criticized, and sometimes with from my family. Actually, we belong to where no one is speak English, so that's it's a normal thing. So just take it easy.
Yes, like this it happens with every person. And when you will go to do
So
any
how did you write
very
my
good.
speaking English? Can you tell me?
Yes, yes, ask me.
Yeah, how do you know my English? How is my English is speaking?
Yes,
Am I
good
speaking correctly or
to speak, definitely you will improve. So if you will have around 300 session, so then you will improve your English. I think you will improve. Keep on doing like this work and keep on trying to connect with people like this, and definitely you will improve
so
your
I
fluency.
also
You will
have
not.
I also have a channel where I have 5,500 subscriber plus, and also I am taking this session and uploading videos.
Oh yes, definitely. Nowadays, it is good way to practice English. It is good way to practice English, and we can
Yeah,
check ourselves. How are we are speaking? How are we speaking? Like this, we can.
motivation,
Just we have to create a
motivation.
YouTube so that by in some other time we can watch our video in other mobile that I spoke like this in this video. But I think we can't watch our video in our mobile. In which mobile we have
You are
created
not
YouTube?
standing, you are just going and going. Actually, it is you're shaking your head and body. Why you're not standing anywhere?
It is my style of making video.
Yeah, I can understand. I have seen lot of your videos like this. You are just going and talking. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Every time we
Do
talk
as
like
you
this.
wish.
A lot of people are sitting in home for making like this video, and decided why not I will do something better than them. So that's why
Yeah.
I decided that I will make so they can't make like this video. I am the one. That's
Okay, okay, that's okay. That's okay. I like it. I like your way of doing. Actually, yeah, you love to do it. So that's okay. So can you tell me how to practice? How to improve spoken English day by
yes,
day for
yes.
beginners?
Yes. For beginners, if any beginners, of speaking English language who is learners, so if they want to improve their English first, they have to read. They should develop the habit and get into the habit of reading loudly. Whatever, they can read the newspaper also, book, any type of book which is in English, they should read loudly. And, what will we get? If we will read loudly, so then we can improve, we can speak clearly, right? We can speak clearly like you can go, but some students facing problem that they can't speak loudly at home. They can be heard about like themselves that he is speaking loudly here and other person is listening here there and you will get shy like this. It has happened. I was also speaking. I was also reading the newspaper loudly, but nowadays I'm getting shy little bit. So for reading loudly I'm going to the forest for
Yeah, I
the
can
10 minutes.
understand that too. Yeah,
Yes,
I have this problem is also with me. Okay, actually, when I need to speak and practice English, so I isolate myself. Okay, from people. I go to isolated area where no one can see me, no one can hear me speak English. I can understand. Okay, I can understand one who is speaking, one who try to speak English and doing it is a very hard work. Okay, actually at
yes,
the beginning, yeah,
yes.
I had a lot of problems. I had no practice partner, and I had know how to, you know, practice with myself. So I struggled a lot to get here.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Nowadays, you can consider number of people like who makes like this videos increase, and everyone, whenever I watch any conversation video, introduce yourself, introduce yourself. They are they are saying introduce yourself, introduce yourself. So what people, what happened to people nowadays? They are making like this video. A lot of people are coming YouTube like a lot of if you will search how to speak English fluently, competently, a lot of conversation video you will get, and they are fast. They will say introduce yourself, introduce yourself. So like this, a lot of video on YouTube. Yes, like this video. Yes.
yeah, right, right. So can you tell me about your, future? What do you want to become in future?
Teacher, yes. English trainer, teacher, yes.
Yeah, you have become English trainer. So do you have any other,
IS, yes.
idea?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a big goal. I can understand. You can do it. Okay, everyone, you can do it.
Working hard is very important for that, right?
Yeah, very important. Without hard work, we can't survive. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
I can
That,
understand.
that we can get that goal. What we want to get, which goal we want to get. So for that we have to work hard, right? And
Yeah, yeah,
without we can't do like as we learned, as you learn English. I think you also have a lot of you also had a lot of problem, right? Yes. I faced a lot of problem. I told you that people were mocking, making fun of me because I used to go to the forest for practicing. That time, people were going and people see me that Jadu is speaking to himself under the tree there, and he said under the tree and he is meditating like a sadhu ji,
yeah.
like
Right.
like as a monk or yes meditating in the
But
forest
but
like
they
this.
don't know what is the reality. But they don't know what is the reality. Okay, so they will do. They will think. No matter. Let them think. Okay, what they are thinking. Just focus on yourself and your goal.
Yes, yes, yes. We should ignore other person. Like if you are doing good work, all the same people are not appreciating you. You can consider they are getting jealous of you, right?
Yeah, yeah, right, right.
Like this I also did. That's why if I if I couldn't ignore that time, so I think I couldn't even have learned this language. Because I cannot help a person, and I was already, I got believe on myself, I'm doing good work whether I'm going to forest, because I'm only
So,
for learning, and people have
can you
different thought.
can you let me ask you some question? So, what is your daily routine? What do you do? Oh,
Daily routine, what will I tell? In morning time, mostly nowadays in this I change it time nowadays, because nowadays I got this one, holiday, summer vacation. That's why I change it. Yes, yes.
okay, okay. So,
At three, at 3 p.m. I start talking with people, and at night, at 3 a.m. I start studying again English at night by getting up. Yes.
okay, okay.
And before
So,
3 I study all the time. Yes, and when I get free time, and beside that time I work in the field nowadays. Yes.
okay, okay. You are very hardworking. I'm very inspired by you. Okay, yeah.
Yes,
So, do you want to ask anything?
I think we shall wrap up this session. Right?
Okay. So,
Yes, yes.
you,
Can you send me
yeah.
YouTube channel which you are running? If you have YouTube channel, you can send me. I want to see your video. How are you making? Yes.
Yeah, I will send it to my YouTube channel. Okay, and also, do you will you put my this video on YouTube?
Yes, why not? If possible, so in community I will post. I can post. Yes.
Okay, okay. So thank you. So I will send it. Okay, I will send my channel. Okay, and
Yes.
yeah, tell me and give me suggestion. What should I do better? Okay,
Definitely. Yes. Yes, yes. Definitely. Yes. And I will give
okay.
you. Yes. Yes.
And also I'd like to ask one thing that let me give me a opportunity in a week to talk to you. One session in a week.
Yes, why not? Why not? Definitely, you can take a session, because nowadays a lot of people want to talk with, because their videos getting viral,
Yeah,
and
yeah, right.
I want to help you, because so that your video will also get viral. If you will talk with
Yeah,
me every
I
week,
can
one
understand.
this video with next session.
You are very
With,
kind. You are very kind. You are very kind. Very kind. I can understand. Okay. Actually, you talk with with a smile. Okay. So you are very hardworking and you are very talented. Okay. Just keep doing, and definitely one day you will earn name, money, famous, and also you will, you know, uh, you know, uh, do hard. You will do great things in life.
like we have to show our body language also, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
like we talk that time, we have to show our body language, like smiling is very important. And other person, otherwise, like who will not smile, like people think that he's dumb, and I think he's not talking mostly like this, right? And like this, they will think that he is fearing. Yes.
But we don't.
Again,
But
yes.
right now I don't have any fear, and also you do. Yeah, I don't have any fear. Actually, when we spend time with this language, so it become part of
Some
life.
people, some people you can consider, in front of the girl they are getting shy. In front of the people, like they can't speak, but you spoke good English. I listened to you. You are trying. And one person from my village, he's a drunkard. Do you know drunkard? Drunkard means picker, who
Yeah,
who
I
drinks.
know. I know. I know.
He was not getting shy with girl. He was speaking so pura. He drank wine. He drank wine, and he was speaking English.
But
Yes. So
I don't even shy with. Actually, I have taken a lot of session with women and girls. So I don't have any fear, and I don't have. Actually, we are in a profession where we have to spend with people talking in English so that we can talk, fluently. Fluently means, how much the more you spend time with people, the more you speak English better. That's it.
yes, 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 yes. That's why we should be fluent in English, so that we
Yeah.
can like speak for a long time without fear and continuously, right? Yes. So
So
again, we
okay.
start. Yes.
So let's meet another time. It's 20 minutes. Okay. So let's meet another time. Have a nice day. Take care.